To fix an Amana washer stuck on the wash cycle, start by unplugging the washer from the power outlet to ensure your safety while performing the repair. Next, check the washer's lid switch, which is a common cause of this issue. The lid switch is usually located under the lid and can be accessed by removing the top panel or the lid switch assembly. If the switch is faulty, replace it with a new one. Another possible cause is a problem with the control board or the user interface board. Check the control board for any signs of damage or wear and tear. If you find any damage, you may need to replace the control board. Also, check the user interface board for any issues with the buttons or the display. If the problem persists, try resetting the washer by pressing and holding the cancel button for a few seconds. Clogged drain pumps or faulty drain hoses can also cause the washer to get stuck on the wash cycle. Check the drain pump filter for any blockages and clean it if necessary. Also, inspect the drain hose for any kinks or blockages and make sure it is properly connected to the washer and the drain. Additionally, check the washer's water inlet valves for any issues. If the valves are faulty, the washer may not be able to fill with water properly, causing it to get stuck on the wash cycle. You can try cleaning or replacing the water inlet valves if necessary. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem with the washer's motor or gearbox. In this case, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Amana washer stuck on the wash cycle and get it working properly. Again, remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances and to consult your user manual for specific instructions on how to repair your particular model.